In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Harry Potter related stuff in Midjourney. So I'm going to teach you a free method and a paid method. The free method works. It's a bit not as good as the paid method. The paid method is amazing. So first of all, for the free method, you want to go to Google and you want to find an image that you want to make similar to. So for example, I'm going to make some cover art which is similar to this. You want to right click, save image as, and then download it. Now we'll go into Midjourney. Here we're going to go and we're going to click and drag the image into here like this. Now here I'm going to do /describe. Now here you can either click and put the link in here, or you can click in here and just click on the image like this. Do that. Now paste that in like that. Enter. What it's going to do is it's going to describe what this image is. So it's given us 4 options. This poster depicts the Harry Potter family in the poster. Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Pick which one is the most accurate. I'm going to click this one just to be quick, so my stuff won't be as good as yours. Now, what it's going to do now is it's going to use this prompt that it's just created based upon this, and it's going to make some images with it. And you can see it's already started now. So I'll pause this and I'll come back when it's done. And boom, you can see that it's created me a load of these images which are Harry Potter like. Now, the words are complete rubbish, but it's still pretty cool. So this is the free way to generate stuff. Now, here's the paid way. What you want to do, you want to go onto Google. You want to go to a website called PromptBase. Now, in PromptBase, you want to type in Harry Potter. On the left, on the model, you want to click Midjourney. Now, here they're going to give you tons and tons and tons of different prompts to do with Harry Potter. So, depending what you want, you might want to get a Hogwarts full portrait style. And this will create images like this. So, if you want to make images that look like these in this kind of style and all this, you can buy this prompt for $3.99. Click Get Prompt, pay for it, and it's going to give you the keywords needed, which you can put into Midjourney to make this kind of stuff. Similarly, if you wanted to make this or this, you can just go to the link, buy the prompt, and it will tell you how to do this. It will also give you instructions on how to customize it. So if you want your hair to be bald, if you want ginger hair, curly hair, if you want to be black, white, whatever your customization you want on it, you can do that. And also with this, it'll tell you how to customize the items and how to Harry Potterify everything. That's basically how to do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.